Hi, seventh graders. It's Mr. Anhabdi. Here's what we did in class on September 21st and tomorrow on Friday, September 22nd. So first you did your bell ringer warm up. Then in a lab group, you evaluated your density choice assignment that was due today. We went over your Earth's interior personalized pathway, and you spent the rest of the time working on your Earth's interior visual and notes. And I'll briefly talk through how we organize that here. So I gave you a blue handout. It was called Earth's Interior Personalized Pathway. Sorry about that. That was my knee. And we looked at page 5, which we did in class last time. So that was the density notes, the density lab, the lab questions, and then your homework that was due today. So you checked off everything in this first column under page 5. And we spent the rest of the time on page 6, which was today. And I'll show you how that works here. So we set up your notebook together. So page 6 was entitled Layers of the Earth on September 21st. Your essential question is, what does Earth's interior look like? And then we left this entry blank. So you had 3 choices. You picked, actually there were 4, but you picked one of them in order to create a visual study guide of Earth's layers. And those choices are found on your blue handout. This is also posted on Schoology in today's folder. And your choices are here. So you could either make a foldable study guide following a step-by-step set of directions in class, or you could color and label a diagram from a pre-made template. That was this one. Or you could draw and color and label a diagram of your own choosing, and you could use page 23 or 233 in the 2 books we have in the classroom. And some students just went online and found pictures that they like better. So you chose that. And then some of you began organizing your notes, and we gave you some resources for those. So you could use the textbook in class, the Khan Academy video on Schoology, or any other resource online. There's additional resources in your Schoology folder. And so for your notes, we gave you this final slide, and this was up on the screen. So after you created your visual, you started organizing information. And for each layer of the Earth, you needed the following bullets. So as you're organizing your notes, or if you're doing this from home, you would want this slide up so you know what to include in your notes. All right, and finally, to make sure you have everything, you'll look on page 4 in your notebook. And we are on this learning target. So you need all of these labeled correctly on your diagram. So if you do find one online, that's great. Just make sure that you can draw and label each of the 7 required parts from your learning targets. And this document is on page 4 in your science notebook. All right, so it's all to be continued next class. We're going to finish the visual and the notes next time, and you'll take a formative check-in quiz after you review for a while to kind of see where you're strong and where you're weak. No homework tonight. Enjoy the evening. Have a good day. We'll see you next time.